Dear students, in this section we will discuss the dispersion of white light by a prism. So, dispersion is also a phenomenon of light which is related to the splitting of white light into its color components. Whenever a white light is passed through a prism, then the spectrum of 7 colors is formed after passing through the prism, that is after refraction. The color combination that is obtained after refraction is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. What does these notifications mean? Violet V means violet, I for indigo, V for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. This is the spectrum, that is band of 7 colors that is obtained after the splitting of white light from a prism. Now, let us see what is the reason of the splitting of this white light into 7 colors. The reason is every color has its different angle of bending, the angle through which it bends after passing through the prism, and the reason for this is their bending and formation of spectrum. The violet color bends the most, as you can see. It has the highest frequency among all the colors and it has the least wavelength. As we talk about the another end of the spectrum, that is red, red bends the least. Its frequency is also least and its wavelength is highest, that is it can travel a long distance. It has frequency and number of oscillations least. The violet has number of oscillations the maximum. Now coming towards the recombination of prism, Isaac Newton did another experiment in which what he did, he formed a spectrum of sunlight. He passed a white light through the prism and got the spectrum red, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. What he did, he placed another similar prism in inverted position near to the first prism and passed those spectrum to the inverted prism. What he got after passing through the inverted prism, a combination is formed of all the 7 color components and a white light is released after going from the first inverted prism. By this, he concluded that sunlight is also made up of a band of spectrum and there are 7 colors in its spectrum, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, yellow and red. This band that we are seeing is a visible spectrum because we can see, and the wavelength of this spectrum is 7 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters to 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters. That is visible to us. Thank you.